Hello guys, Brick Armor here with a new gun. This time around I've built this Sig Sauer P226. It's a pretty difficult build, pretty challenging build because of all the weird angles and stud transitions. For example, the slide has some variations in thickness, so it's pretty hard to achieve the look of the P226, and I think I did a pretty good job, if I should say myself. This gun is fully field strippable. It has a working mag release, a removable magazine. The decocker moves, the slide moves, the trigger. Unfortunately, I couldn't implement the mag release, so yeah, that's a bummer. But hey, I think it looks pretty alright. I've built some attachments, and let's take a look at them. Well, here it is, the P226 with the silencer called OSPREY. It's a pretty famous suppressor, and it has a distinctive shape. It has that like a square shape, and I think it fits the gun very well. So yeah, that's the silencer I made for it. Well, and here it is with a SUREFIRE X300 with the on and off switch on the sides. I think it looks pretty neat, very tactical. Well, to field strip this gun, first you take out the magazine, like that. By the way, this magazine is 3 studs wide. Then you check the chamber, okay, it's empty. Press the decocker. Take out this pin right here, and the slide and the frame will separate, just like that. Now you can see the moving trigger with the springs inside. Safety is right there, or the mag release, and the decocker. Now to put it back together, just reverse the steps. Now you put in the magazine, and the gun is back together.